So want to reclaim your peak vitality? Well, the secret might actually be hiding in how you sleep.
We all obsess over getting 8 hours, right? But quantity literally means nothing without deep, restorative quality.
See, without deep restoration, your body just can't recharge. And that poor quality, it actively crashes your testosterone.
Constantly tossing and turning? That lack of quality rest is actually a huge red flag for dangerously low testosterone.
And that hormonal crash triggers a brutal domino effect. Think chronic fatigue, brain fog, muscle loss, and belly fat.
You're definitely not alone here. A staggering 68% of men over 40 are actually dealing with this.
Guys are told their levels are just low normal. But hey, normal doesn't mean optimal for deep sleep or vitality.
But here's the good news. You can reverse this and reclaim that deep sleep cycle naturally, no prescriptions needed.
Grab our free guide at mydailyhacks.com. Ask yourself, are you just sleeping or are you actually recharging?